Hi, Andarki Namaskaram. In this video gonna be in English so that it will convey to large number of audience. So in this video, we will be testing Grand Pit Stop motor jack. Will it work on off-road? First we have strap here. We will wrap this around the front brake so that it locks the front brake. Locking the front brake ensures that it won't move any sideways or forward. So this rubber pad for the one for the side stand. One for the side stand and one for the motor jack. So using a motor jack is not as easy as they said. Why I choose low traction area is that if it works in the low traction area, be sure that it works in high traction area like roads and concrete tasks. This is the problem with when this pin clip the rear tire. So it's not moving here because it might be in gear. Let me put neutral first. Let me ensure you. This cost me around 850 rupees from Amazon. So it's neutral. Okay. Make sure that it's neutral. So the trick I discovered from the fellow YouTube challenge is that this Yezdi Adventure felt or seems difficult in lifting directly using the motor jack. So what they said is to lift the rear wheel of the motorcycle with our hands and pushing this motor jack inside like this. We have constantly put pressure on this. So firmly put pressure. So you need some practice. This moving here. Some more little bit pressure. So this works in off-road also. The grip seems to be nice. If you want to check or loop in your off-road files, it's good. This is good fine here. So no jokes. This is the way, it's the easiest way. Why? Because pushing this from this angle at a very low level requires a lot of forearm strength, but need not be necessary because this seems to be a technique which amplifies our force, but it's not that way effective than this method. This is very easy. Removing also very easy. I'll show it once again. So I will slowly remove this. Removing is very easy, pulling this jack. Or once push a little bit so that it becomes outside. So once again we'll try it. It takes very little bit of energy to place it in a right angle possible way. So just push it like this. So see, it takes energy to push. So don't waste your energy in this because it might not lift the rear wheel tire of your Yezdi Adventure. Rather than using this, we can try this method. Ensure that you use footwear and gloves so that you don't cut your fingers. So lift, push, so it might spoil like this. The problem of this, it should be gradually pushed towards, not closer. Problem. Okay. Just don't stop lifting. See how easy it is. You should be a little careful so you won't damage the swing arm. Or else what we can do is get rubber coating over here. So it won't damage the swing arm. This is way enough to lube our chain. Check the tension and alignment of the wheel also. It's very rolling. More enough. I think it is useful to remove the wheel also, but ensure that there should be some support over here. So it replaces center stand in case of chain cleaning and chain maintenance, and brake pad removal also. This is a review of Grand Pit Stop motor jack. Seems to be nice, but the technique is different here. What I mentioned is very difficult to do, but this seems to be very easy. anyone who does a little bit of home chores, a little bit of lifting can do this. Better use gloves so that you don't hurt your skin, forefingers or somewhere over this palm. So, next step will be removing the motor jack. So as you start, push the vehicle away from you, then just grab the start. So the same way, the rubber has damaged a little bit because it has some little grooves. So it is easy for us to use this. Ensure that this rubber don't carry dust. If you don't use it regularly, this dust might infect this iron thing and cause it rusting. It is very easy to pack all together. Throw in our bag.